Hello, I'm Akanksha, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make quatrefoil and barbed quatrefoil pattern in Photoshop. Go to File, New. I'm going to start with a canvas that's 100 by 100 pixels at 72 pixels per inch resolution, RGB color mode, background content to transparent. Click OK. Use the ellipse tool to create a circle. Make sure it's set to shape. Set fill color to none and stroke to black. Use a stroke line 3 point. Then click on the canvas and create a circle that's 50 by 50 pixels. Now switch to selection tool. Align it to the top of your artboard and center it. Let's zoom in to see this better. Right-click on the ellipse layer and select Duplicate Layer from the panel. Click OK to duplicate the layer. And then use the Selection tool to align it to the center of the canvas and to the bottom edge. Now go back to the Layers panel. Hold down Shift key, select both the layers and then right-click on them and select Duplicate Layers again. Make sure that new layers are selected. Go to Edit, Transform, rotate 90 degrees clockwise. This will create quatrefoil shape, but we will have to merge all the layers to create the actual motif. So hold down Shift key to select all the layers. Right-click on them and select Merge Shapes from the menu. If you still see the overlapping shapes that are in the center of your motif, go to Properties panel. You can open it from Window, Properties. Make sure Path Operations are set to Combine Shapes. If you have Subtract or any other shape, the shape will be different. So make sure you have Combine selected. And if you're using older version of Photoshop, you might not have these options available. So use the eraser to delete the overlapping. So let's save our shape as pattern. Go to Edit, Define Pattern and give your pattern a name. Let's name it Quatrefoil Pattern. Then click OK to save it. To test the pattern, go to File, New and create a new document. I'm going to make a document that's 800 by 800 pixels. Set background content to white. Click OK. Select Fill tool and make sure content is set to pattern. Select the saved quatrefoil pattern and fill onto the canvas. This is a simple quatrefoil pattern. Now let's go back and create a barbed cotton foil pattern. So let's duplicate this layer and I'm going to hide this first layer. And then using the rectangle tool, I'm going to create a square. This square is also set to no fill, black stroke and 3-point stroke width. Now I'm going to use the Move tool to center it. Let's select both the layers and use Align tool to make sure both are centered. Then right-click on them and choose Merge Shapes. This is our barbed quatrefoil motif. Go to Edit, Define Pattern and give it a name. Let's name it Barbed Quatrefoil Pattern. And then save it as a pattern. Now let's switch to the other document. Use the Fill tool to add a new background color. Then I'm going to make the quatrefoil visible again and select the layer. Then I'm going to the bottom of the Layers panel. Click on the Create New Fill or Adjustment layer and choose Solid Color. I'm going to choose this dark pink and then click OK. Now go to layer, create clipping mask. And this is how you can recolor your quatrefoil. And if you want to choose a different color, just double click on the solid color layer and let's choose a darker color. I'm going to make this color layer invisible, and then I'm going to go back to adjustment layer and select gradient. Choose any gradient you like or create your own custom gradient. Select and go to layer, create clipping mask. We are done with the pattern. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. This pattern can be used for home decor items like curtains, carpets, and also this pattern can be used in a textile industry where initially this digital pattern can be printed on a fabric and that fabric is further used for creation of garments.